192.168.1.1 looks boring, right? But this simple string is your device's passport to the internet. Let's break it down. An IP address has 4 parts, called octets, separated by dots. Each number can go from 0 to 255 because each octet is made of 8 bits. Each octet has 8 bits, and that gives you 256 possible values. That's why each number stays between 0 and 255. Put them together, 4 octets means 32 bits total. That's the full structure of an IPv4 address. But computers don't see 192 or 168. They see binary. That's how they talk, using ones and zeros. So what do IPs actually do? They're like street addresses. Your phone might be 192.168.0.5 and Google 142.251.222.78. Some IP addresses are private, used in homes and offices. Others are public, used across the internet. Your Wi-Fi likely gives your device a private IP address. Let's recap. IP addresses have 4 octets. Each ranges from 0 to 255. They're made of binary, and they tell devices where to send data. Next time, we'll dive into subnet masks and see how they define your network. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to check out the next episode. Thanks for watching.